Let's do this, my dude.
Amazing.
I know. Is it straight? Okay, that's good enough. It's good enough for me. Well, fuck, I don't have any CO2 left in this thing? Oh, I do.
Is that your YouTube channel on the side of it?
Yeah, man, dude.
Yo, you're insane.
You got a problem?
That is gonna not turn out well.
I don't care. GoPro, what do you mean?
Oh yeah.
You have a GoPro though.
I broke it, got shouted out.
Dang, what are you? It's not, we're playing this way. I got shot in the hand by one of my students.
Let's do this thing, dude.
What's the first tire and just get the seat?
Tire? Okay. Yo, my dude. Y'all ready for this?
Are you recording?
Yeah. Why would I have my phone in my freaking mask if I wasn't? Tire, come with you. Screw Nick. No, hold on, guys. My camera fell out. Froze my camera straight.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Fuck that. I might need that. Hey, yo, dude, can you put this in? Hold on. Thanks. Good shot, dude. Fuck. Hold on. Okay, just put it in there, dude.
I think you might have to take your phone out.
Yeah, just put it in there somehow. Are you good? Okay. I'll shoot him. Hey. What's up, Shy? Knuckles. What's up? People in tower? Okay. Is it our team? What team, tower? Green tower, what team? God dang it. Dead walking! Dead! going well. It's going well.
Is that working?
Yep. Just really hope someone doesn't come up behind us. Like, if someone calls bang bang at me from 20 feet and they're behind me, I don't give a crap. What the freak is going on over there? How's it going?
Gotcha.
Oh. Nick! Hello. What the fuck is going on over there? What?
Get shot in the neck. It's gonna hurt.
I've been shot in the neck before. Shit, getting shot in the hands hurts more. Hi, how's it going? How's it going? Okay.
Yeah, but that's what no one will see you as a child still. You're a big legal adult.
There's this one.
It's failing. Dude, I hope I get some good content out of this. Yo, you wanna go barn? Wanna go barn? Surrender! I'll call it as well. What?
Is that your phone on your head?
Yep.
That's cool.
Who needs a GoPro when you have a phone? Yo, Nick, you down here? Oh, there you are. How's it going? How's it going? Hey, yo! Wait up for me! Din airsofting coming through. I have a YouTube channel. Gonna pop him? Hey, what's up?
Yeah, I got one.
You did?
Yeah.
Some kid complimented me on my headset. It's pretty cool. I feel good about it. Let's go. Like that. Move. Well, there you guys are. Surrender. Good try. Well, I'll shoot you.
I was already out.
Surrender. Fucking just got this kid. Surrender. Ty. I did. I said surrender. I'll call you. Hey, dead walking. Dead walking. Yellow. What's up, yellow?
Take on fun.
Yeah, but if you get your I can
If I heal him, will you kill me?
What?
If I heal him, will you kill me?
No.
Oh.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
I banged him.
9, 10.
Made it all the way back here. Yeah. Almost made my fun.
Hey, blue down there.
Well, there you guys are. Let's go. Let's murk them. Surrender.
Okay, hi.
Hello. Y'all need some help? Dude, what's the point of GoPro?
Well, I took it off.
I know, what's the point? Come on. Oh. It'll last one day. That's all I need it to last. What's up, man? What are y'all hiding for? Trender! What's up? Dude, I keep on killing a kid that's recording at the same time I'm recording. Let's go down here. Sorry. Move. Some kid down there? Sorry. Did I hit you? Okay, I'm almost freaking hit you. Is that Nick?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's Blue.
That's blue. Oh, can you shoot him again?
No. Hey, if I revive you, will you go back to your spawn? Okay, hey, dude. Hey, can somebody come here to bang bang him when I revive him?
Oh, I see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bang bang. No, I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna hit me with that. Hey! Don't high five him! Don't high five him! He's gonna hit you with the sword! He's gonna hit you with the sword!
It's just a high five.
He's gonna hit you with the sword. He's already done it to me.
I don't even have a sword.
Oh, it's just your penis?
Okay. I like your camera.
Thank you.
Hey, you want to
Five.
That was the most
Woo!
thing.
What, were you sitting there the whole time?
I was there almost the whole time.
Okay, I'm turning off my camera. Well, it's freaking fun.